Hi there, Homestead. It's Elizabeth from Community, and today we're going to go further into the website builder e-commerce product options and talk about digital products. Now, digital products are going to be products that you want to sell like ebooks, audio files, printable art, or any item that can be electronically stored in a file. You can offer coursework via PDF or videos for sale. Anything that's not a physical product that you have to ship out and that can be stored in a file that can be downloaded can be used as a digital product. So to add a digital product in your Homestead store, log into the builder, click on Store on the left, and click Manage Products and Orders. This will bring you into the store editor, and you're going to click Products on the left. At the bottom right corner, you're going to see a plus sign to add products, just like we talked about in the last video, except this time we're going to select digital product from this product type. Then you enter in the name, the price, and a description. And it's time for you to upload your product. Now there are limitations for products that can be uploaded in Website Builder. For example, if you're trying to upload an image, it can only be up to 4 megabytes. Documents can be up to 40 megabytes. Audio files can be up to 100 megabytes, and zip files can be up to 1 gigabyte. There are certain file formats that are not supported, so make sure that what you're trying to upload is not one of these file formats. If it's not, you can click to upload a file. Once it's downloaded, you can choose whether you want the download attempts to be time-based or number-based. What this means is you can have, let's say, 3 download attempts, so they can try to download it 3 times before the link expires for that download. Or time-based, where you give them a certain amount of days to download the product before that link expires. So you can choose what's the best option for your product. You can add an image for the product. I'm just going to use a stock image. Then you can set a discount or banner if applicable. You can set a category. So once you've filled out all of that information, you can go ahead and click Save and Publish Changes. And it'll say Product Added, and you'll see it in your list of products. And I'll show you what it looks like on the customer side when they go to purchase that product. I'm going to do a preview, and you'll see this is the digital download that I added. So I'll add to cart, proceed to checkout. So add in the information it asks for and click Continue. I'm going to click for it to be a test. You have to agree to the terms of service and continue with the test. It'll give confirmation that that order has been processed, and it'll confirm the email address that they're sending that download to. So now you can go in and check your email to get that download. The order confirmation email is going to look like this. It'll say, "Thank you for your order from your store name." You'll receive an email with your digital download link. It'll have a receipt, and then a second email will come through that says your order's been processed, and it'll have a link that you can use to download the product. Click that link, click Download, and it's going to download the product to your computer. When you open it up, you'll see what you purchased and be able to use it. So digital products are really easy and a really simple way to reduce cost for stores, since you don't have to worry about stock, physical items, shipping out, having somewhere to store physical products. So if you can offer your items digitally, this is certainly a way to make your life easier as a store owner and gets the products to the customers quicker as well. Other than that, next video, we're going to be talking about the integrated shipping options, the advanced shipping options available through Website Builder, so stay tuned.